He always takes so long to get
Are you
ready.
fucking serious?
I'm telling. Why aren't you standing up? Your shoes on?
Yes.
No, you have slides on. Wait, where are the keys to my father's car? Oh, they have the keys, obviously.
But y'all see what I deal with on the daily? Hug me.
Okay, would you rather... Oh, I had one in my head and then I forgot what it was. Oh, would you rather be really rich until the age of 50 and then once you hit 50, live like a middle-class lifestyle? Or live a middle-class lifestyle till you're 50, or till you're 40 and be really rich after?
Middle class life until I'm 40. Facts.
I agree with that. Awesome.
Those are the best times of your life, 40 and after.
Babe, I'm trying to high value.
Oh.
Would you rather take a vow of celibacy or a vow of silence? Ooh, that one's hard.
I'm gonna have to go with celibacy.
Me too.
How you gonna get some pussy if you can't communicate?
Oh, people who can't communicate still get pussy.
Do they?
I think so. I'm pretty sure there's deaf people that still bang. Would you rather not shower for a week or not brush your teeth for a week?
Not brush. I like my balls to be fresh.
Yeah.
No lie.
Ugh, no brush for a week.
Damn, my nigga breath gonna be on halitosis though.
No, thank you.
But just imagine your armpits and nuts week straight, no bath.
This question is disgusting. Do you want to? I don't want to read it.
Read it.
Would you rather swim 300 meters through shit or dead bodies? Who wrote that question and why? And the answer is I have no idea. I can't answer that.
Either way, you could catch some.
Oh fuck, we passed it.
I fucking knew it.
By like one block. Would you rather have 3 kids and be like kind of broke, or never have kids and have a shit ton of money?
Kids. I want to see my seed. No cap.
Would you rather be the funniest or the smartest person in a room?
Funny. I'd rather see people smile than people
yeah.
get irritated with me because me acting like I know fucking everything. Which I probably do, but. Alright, that's another one. Stop kissing me. No. Alright, let me get one though. Do it.
Would you rather have a Lamborghini in your garage or a bookcase with 9,000 books and infinite knowledge? Infinite knowledge. Fuck a Lambo. I'd rather have something else. Like a Lambo.
Yeah, that.
Would you rather have no one show up to your wedding or your funeral? Definitely funeral. Y'all don't have to come to my funeral if you have to choose between wedding or babe, this guy's going fast.
But yeah, I'm gonna say funeral.
Yeah, because I want to enjoy my wedding. Our wedding's gonna be fun. Would you rather eat a friend who's already dead or kill your dog and then eat it?
I might have to go with the dog. Might be better meat.
I think so too, actually. Okay, here's another one.
Asians eat dogs.
Would you rather leave? Would you rather leave your unemployed son homeless on the street with no money, or support his bad habits and pay for his drugs and stuff like that?
Homeless. Sound dumb.
Would you rather end all death due to car accidents or end terrorism?
End all death due to car accidents. What does that even mean?
All death from car accidents.
Oh, so no more car accident death?
Really, nigga?
Or no more terrorism.
No more terrorism. That's saving more people's lives
You think so?
than car accidents.
I think that maybe car accidents might save more people's lives. Alright, y'all, I gotta go. I gotta go get my dad's car.
Champagne every day. We don't need to talk. Young niggas staying solid. I don't do them all. So baby.
So this. Oh, my mom just texted. So this is DJ's first time having Mediterranean food. I don't know if I'm gonna get it because I'm gonna get sushi at this place next door, but I'm just gonna go with Bae and get him some lunch.
This is it?
There.
I thought it was that's California pita.
This is the Cuddy spot.
Huh?
This is the Cuddy spot.
I can't hear you.
This is the Cuddy spot.
What does that even mean?
Cut.
Look at that for you. What's up, you young bitches?
What'd we order, babe? Pronounce it.
Shawarma?
Shawarma? Shawarma.
Shawarma and a schnitzel. We are at
Falafel Grill.
Falafel Bar, Kosher Grill. I'm trying something new today, but I've been seeing this shit on the gram. And I'm like, babe, I want one of these. Think about taking a trip to the mall. Think about taking a trip to the mall. Had a little excess spit. Nigga was licking his lips too hard. How you feeling myself?
I saw you in the car the whole way here. You were fucking having a damn music video.
Hater.
I'm
Cause
not
she
hating,
wasn't
I do
having
that
one.
too.
Would you rather your shirts be always two sizes too big or one size too small?
One size too small. Nice and tight.
You little freak.
What about you? I know you like your shirts small. They make you look buff. That's what he said. He liked this one shirt because it made him look buff.
Would you rather live your entire life in a virtual reality where all your wishes are granted or in the real world?
Virtual reality. That's cool.
But you could live in the real world and all your wishes.
Oh.
Oh no, it's just or in the world.
That's right.
I would rather live in the real world.
Really? If someone was like, you can live the rest of your life in a virtual reality and you get anything you want,
It's not real.
you might as well
real.
make it real. Who says it's not real?
It's a virtual reality.
Yeah, but if it's reality when you're in it, so like,
Oh my god.
Falafel Bar, Kosher Grill. Here it goes. Nothing. It's good.
Would you rather be hot or cold?
I don't know, cause it's weird things happens to me when I get hot, where I literally feel like I'm gonna die. Like, and like everything starts to like enclose on me, like when I'm hot, and I have to like take it all off, and, like, and then I get hot, and then it's just like a lot. I like the color of that car.
Did y'all just see her tweak out? You got some nigga.
Your breath stinks. Alright, you gonna come with me to go pay my credit? Huh? Adulting. We were gonna go to the mall, but this guy has no self-control, so he feels as though we shouldn't go to the mall.
I would have bought something.
And I would have rolled my eyes or something, and then he would have said he really wanted it, and I would have been like, it's fine, your money, babe.
So, I'm just gonna go home. Got a good lunch.
Got a nice little lunch.
Some errands.
Did some would you rathers. My hair looks cute. Alright, baby. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share with your homies.
All that, you stupid dumb bitch.
Why are you so mean to them?
Out of there on this shit.